for? Get up!
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun.
It's time to go.
Get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal, you
Good morning, second day of Jeepaplooza. And we're headed out to our trail ride.
mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up.
I'm gonna videotape you because
Oh, videotape.
you're famous.
Oh, I'm famous. Okay, well, I'm Larissa. I'm the famous Larissa.
We've all signed up for the Newbie run here, right? Yeah. It's a 2-day kind of spread. So today it ends up being starts off the highway. We'll drive down to Campbell River on the ocean side. Scenic view, I guess, right?
See if we can handle the highway first.
Right. But it's almost like a little parade through town,
Right.
View, right? You know, and then we'll go up to the Quinsam Shell Station, right? In back there's some sand pits. We'll play there for a bit. We'll come up near the airport. We'll drive highway again for a few minutes. Then we'll get to some trails in behind Cranberry Lane. The Forest Service Road again, and then probably out to some power lines, right? So maybe about a 3-ish. Well, back at 3, so it's like a decent round trip at least, right? On the trails, we got to watch that we keep our headlights on, right? Visibility should be fine, but you know, if you splash through a puddle, you just keep your headlights on. When you're on a trail, make sure that you got people in the back of you, their headlights in your rear view mirror, right? Don't go too far ahead of them, basically, right? Because if there's troubles down the line, we have to know up front, kind of thing, right? No smoking, no drinking on the trails. See anybody doing that, right? Pass it on, right? Have fun. Mostly everywhere is safe to go. I mean, every Jeep is capable of making it, right? The trails we're going on, there's no big, huge sticks that are gonna like bang up your bodies or anything like this, right? There are a few areas where we'll stop, and there is optional difficult things, right? But don't feel pressured to go beyond your comfort, right? Every vehicle here is capable of it, but you know, don't feel pressure to push through those areas, right? Other than that, yeah, have fun, right?
Stopping to air down?
You don't have to be aired down unless maybe you want to take, there's a couple areas where we'll stop and be like, hey, you know, this is a hill. You don't need to go out. You can just hop out and watch people, right? You can just play around somewhere else. You don't need to be aired down. We're going to start off some highway driving. Some people don't like to drive air down that far, right? So if you wait until the Shell station, that might be an appropriate spot. We'd be there 15 minutes. You have time to air down there, right? Pardon me?
And time to top up or down?
Yeah.
I have like 3/4.
I mean, that'd be plenty to get all the way back here, right? But if we will make it to the Shell station, it's about almost an hour from here. So after an hour of highway driving, getting there, we'll stop at the Shell station 15 minutes or so, air down, get fuel up, and then we'll get onto some forest roads. Right? So that'd be a good place to fuel up too.
Okay.
Yeah. Perfect. Yeah. Questions? Questions? No?
I'm just new at this, so can you tell me what you're doing?
Absolutely. So I'm airing down the tires right now. So using the tire gauge, just letting a little bit of air out. And
know what put it down to.
yeah, so they, in the live recovery demo the other day, they were talking about usually going to about half of what you usually would run. So, I mean, I usually am at like 35 PSI. So for what we're doing, I'm only gonna go down to about 20. Because when you air down your tires to go off-road, you get better traction and a much smoother ride, even if you're just going on the FSRs as well too. So that makes it a little more pleasant for you and a little more pleasant for your rig so that it's not bouncing around all over the place.
Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, put your hand to the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? Hey kid,
And we keep going. Yeah, it's crazy. I have it on video.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
What happened?
Oh, she just gets stuck.
don't let them guide your life towards regret. I'll fight for what I love with every breath. My past is filled with things I won't forget. I use them all to push me to my best. So treat the worst of times just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like, and find your limits, don't be rigid, always work towards a prime. Surround yourself with open minds, people can change your life. A few friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They'll try to kick you while you're down, they wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'll make it look like I'm losing, won't bother hiding my bruises. And when they finally think you're wounded, then it's your chance to be ruthless.